Yo, what it do, YouTube? It's your boy MB, ready to do the daily breakdown of the S&P 500 on the futures market. So today is Tuesday, March 12th, 2024, and to start the day off, we had a little bit of volatility, and that was because of the economic news an hour before market open. We had the core inflation rate and then the regular inflation rate, and so it was a bit of a mixed reaction. Core inflation rate, which excludes food and energy prices, was 0.1% lower than expected, and then the regular inflation rate was 0.1% above expected. So bit of a mixed reaction. So we saw that in this candle. We had about a 20-point drop to the downside before a strong recovery. And so we closed green, and then from here on out, I'll break down the rest of the day. So the first play of the day came a little bit before market open. We have this big move to the upside, and then we get about a 50% pullback into where this candle started at. So we get a bounce there, and so me and a couple of other dudes take a long here, catch 10 points, and I was actually expecting this to continue to the upside. So thankfully we got out when we did because we had a sharp drop to the downside. And the reason I don't have an entry down here was because we were actually expecting this wick to get filled, this whole zone. Even though there was a pivot point here and you could have entered right there with a wide enough stop, we didn't take this long because we wanted it to come down a little further. So if you did take this long, I think it would have been a good play because of that pivot point. And then I obviously ended up being the bottom. So very strong move after that. You could have got in somewhere in here after we get the close above this candle. So I could have marked this one out, but also this move was only, it was less than a 23% pullback. So didn't find it convincing enough to actually take an entry right here. So that's why I don't consider this a play for me at least, but it was a good opportunity as well. But after that, I feel like the next best move came after this giant move to the upside, had a bit of a pullback. So this one, we get another 50% pullback right where this candle originated, maybe a little bit below that where this wick is, down at 5208. So this was the second entry. And again, because we had the bounce and the pivot point here, me and another dude were actually waiting on this pivot point to get a reaction. So missed this play, unfortunately, only by about a 1.5. So it was the second best entry because of the 50%. I could have gotten in over here as well once this held, but really was stubborn to get this 5206. So missed that on this play, but it was another 20 points in about less than an hour and a half. So those are the really only two plays of the day. Thankfully, I caught this one in the morning, and I caught a little bit of this news candle. So I had a good day myself. But yeah, pretty much summed up today, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. I love you.